The sky should have more than one star, and they should all shimmer. You'll duplicate the star you just created multiple times so that each of the new layers has the same properties as the original. Then you'll adjust each star's position and rotation separately. Press the Home key or move the current time indicator to the beginning of the time ruler. Select the Star 1 layer in the Timeline panel. Then choose Edit, Duplicate. After Effects adds Star 2 layer at the top of the layer stack. It is identical to the Star 1 layer, including its position. Press Command or Control D 5 more times to create 5 additional stars. Select the Selection tool in the Layers panel, and then press F2 to deselect all layers in the Timeline panel.